Hi, my name is Kamaljeet Kaur, and today I'm going to give a presentation on the upgrading of existing system in Medigood. So, Medigood is a national health insurance system with the help of which a patient can find doctors through online and fix up appointments with those doctors by making phone calls. So, we are going to automate this system from phone calls to internet-based appointment fixing. So in this, to start with working with the development of new system, first of all, work breakdown structure is the initial part to break our work into a module so that, or a task, so that we can estimate the required time to finish those tasks, as in this diagram. I define all the tasks and the estimated time to fulfill those to fulfill those uh, and to fulfill those um, tasks, right? So next is the to-be process. As we discussed that uh, I am going to automate the system in the Medigood. So in to-be process, there are two main tasks which are going to be automated. As first one is the automation of appointments, and second one is record keeping of all the patients. So in first screen design, I just provide a basic screen design for the appointment purpose of patients. In this, doctor logged into his or her account and then fill the basic information of patient, like name of patient, date of birth of patient, age, gender, blood group, disease and medication, and appointment date and time. After finishing this appointment form, both doctor and a patient receive an email about the final time for the appointment. So, and patients also receive a reminder email before a day or 2 days before appointment so that they can't forget to attend the appointment. Next one is the patient record screen design. In this, it's just the record keeping of all the patient's data for their further medication purposes. In this, uh, doctors record data, and they only have the privilege to edit or delete or add any other columns in the database. So they patients can't do anything with this form. It's just for doctors to keep record of patients. In application architecture, there are three basic layers. First one is presentation layer, second is business layer, and third one is the data layer. In presentation layer, it's more close to the user, front-end user, in which basically user interfaces are connected. Uh, and users submit their queries through user interfaces to business layer, where actual logic for their queries work, um, uh, and that logic fetches the information from data layer that is directly connected to the database. So in this way, information flows in and out of this application architecture. Next one is, as I'm going to develop a whole system in agile methodology. So I just want to provide little bit of difference between the agile and a traditional waterfall method to the client, so that they can understand, or you can understand, why I choose this methodology. Like in this agile accepts the changes on any stage of development easily, whereas waterfall model can't accept changes in between or during the development process of the software. If we talk about prioritization of uh, tasks in the agile system, then in this it prioritizes the value of task. So it's the most valuable feature are implemented first, thus reducing risk of having an unusable product once funding runs out. So in the next in this, not a lot of team members are required to work on agile team, so it's good for also cost saving purposes. So agile is better because of its change adaptation policy. In this, we can do any change at any time. So that's all about this report. So I think you understand my point, and uh, I think you agreed on my point of view. So thank you.